Hi, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the hot water inlet valve on your LG washer. If you are experiencing problems like water leak or washer not filling with hot water, it might be time to inspect or replace this part. Before we jump in, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward and useful appliance repair tips. Let's get started, and together we'll get your washer running smoothly again in no time. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering everything we need for today's repair job. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a small towel, a pair of adjustable pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. And remember, safety comes first. Unplug the washer, turn the water supply off before starting any repairs. Your washer is equipped with two separate inlet valves for cold and hot water. They are mounted through the rear panel side by side. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two bottom screws from the rear plastic brackets. Slide the top panel back for less than an inch and take it off. The hot water inlet valve is on the right, looking from the back. Slowly open the hot water faucet. Did water start dripping inside the washer? If the answer is yes, your hot water valve is doomed. Turn off the hot water faucet to confirm the verdict and see if the trickling stops. If yes, you definitely need a new hot water inlet valve. Get the towel ready and use the pliers to unscrew the hot water inlet hose. Use the flat blade screwdriver to remove the plug from the hot water valve. Place the towel under and using pliers, slide the clamp and remove the hose from the valve. You may need to use a flat blade screwdriver to assist yourself. The last thing is to remove the couple of Phillips screws from the rear. Now we can remove the hot water inlet valve. This is the old hot water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the new valve in the cutout. Align the holes and secure it with two Phillips screws. Slide the hose on and use the pliers to install the clamp back. Connect the plug. Install the water inlet hose manually for a few threads. Then use pliers to tighten it. Take it easy doing that. Don't over-tight. Open the faucet, plug the washer in, and run it to test. If there are no leaks, install the top panel, slide it forward to lock, and secure it with two Phillips screws. Great job tackling that hot water inlet valve replacement on your LG washer. We hope our guide helped make this process painless. Share your repair experience with us in the comments. We are eager to hear how it went. If you still need to order a new valve, simply grab your washer's model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com, where most orders arrive within just a few days. Thanks for letting us be part of your DIY journey, and we look forward to assist you with your next appliance repair project.